What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to reset your Philips TV remote control and fix any issue like the remote control not working, or some buttons on the remote control are not just pressing, or situations where the remote control is just too slow to respond to the TV, or the power button on the Philips TV remote control is not just pressing. I'm going to be giving you two solutions to help you reset your Philips TV remote control and fix any issue or problem with your Philips TV remote control. Now for the first method, basically you just want to turn over to the back of your Philips TV remote control. Go ahead and open up this back cover over here and then pull out your batteries from the remote control. Just go ahead and remove the batteries. And once you've done this, you want to come over to the power button on your Philips TV remote and then just long press on this power button for about 5 seconds. Now what this would do is that if there is any power surge that is causing your Philips TV remote to not work properly, this would drain the remote control of that power surge and make your Philips TV remote control to start working again. So just press and hold for 5 seconds, and after that you want to go ahead and pull back your batteries to the remote control. This time around you also want to make sure that your batteries are actually good enough. So if your batteries are not good, just go ahead and change the batteries before inserting them inside of the remote control. Again, you also want to make sure you put them the right way, and once that is done, go ahead and close the battery pack over here. Now before you proceed to control your Philips Smart TV that you have just reset the remote control, whether it's the Philips Google, Philips Android, or the old Philips Smart TV, basically what you want to do is to just go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket. It doesn't matter whether the TV is turned on or not turned on, just go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket, and after 30 seconds go back and plug the TV to the wall socket once again, and then you can now try controlling the TV with your remote control. Trust me, this will most likely fix any issue with your Philips TV remote control, like the remote control not working, or some buttons on the remote control are not pressing, or you're unable to power on the TV with the power button on the remote control. But if this solution does not work out for you, another thing you can actually do is to come back to your Philips TV remote control, go ahead and pull back this battery pack over here, remove the batteries, and at this point you want to come over to your Philips TV remote control, then just continuously press on all of the buttons on the remote control. Now what this will do is that if there is actually any dust or water that has made the remote to stop working, doing this might just help to free the remote control of the dust or water that is stopping the remote control from working properly. So just go ahead and press on all of the buttons on the remote control, just as I'm doing over here, for about 30 seconds. After that, you want to go ahead and put back your batteries. Make sure you put them properly as well. And then go ahead and cover back the battery pack. And this time you want to go ahead and try controlling your Philips TV once again with your Philips TV remote control. Trust me, this will most likely fix any issue like your remote control not working properly, or some buttons on the remote control not working, or the TV not responding with the remote control. If any of these two solutions actually worked out for you, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.